Alright, welcome to the final of the 3 videos on how to hand cut these joints for the corner of your tray. For this step, you're going to need a couple more things. You are going to need a chisel, and I'll say this right now, this is razor sharp, so you need to be very careful with this. This will cut you very quickly and very well. So, careful with that. You'll need some type of mallet. Here's this circular one. There's other mallets available. There's a little hold down. You'll need the saw again and your pieces of wood. So our goal here is to cut and chisel this part out, and that will be like this piece here, and that other large finger is going to fit in there. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to cut along these lines right here with the saw, just like I did before. I'll do that by putting it in the vise, making sure it's about straight up and down. Getting my saw ready. And now on this one, because I want these fingers to maybe be a little bit bigger to squeeze that, I am going to cut those a little bit to the left. Make those fingers a little bit bigger. Just to the left of the line. Then I go down to where I marked it and I stop. Then I'll do the other side. End of the line. Alright, and I'm going to make one more cut here right in the middle, and you'll see why I'm doing that when I get to the chiseling part, but that's going to make it so that I only have to chisel out 2 parts instead of one really wide part. So down to the line. Alright, now I'm ready to go to chiseling. Alright, I have this piece of scrap board. It's soft, which is going to be better on the chisels. It's a piece of pine. And I have this stop right here, which I'm going to use to hold that down. And I'll also use that as a stop to hold this in place. So now when I chisel, I'm not going to chisel into the bench. I'm going to chisel into this sacrificial board. I'm going to put this on this end, and I'll zoom in here so you can get a better look at what's going on with this. So notice there's a beveled edge, which is the angled edge of the chisel, and there's a flat edge. And the flat edge is going to go on the line. But first, I'm going to go just off of the line. Make sure that you don't cut into the finger part that you want. So just off the line, hit that, and then I'm going to go on the line. I'll do this one. Just off the line up to where my saw cut is, and then on the line. Alright, well, that side's pretty good. Now I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to go from the other side, just like I did. I go just off the line. And then on the line. Flip it over, go from the other side. I'm going to go on the line. Alright, so that side is chiseled out. And this side is chiseled out. Alright, So now is the test to see if these two fit together and how snug they are. So there we go. That's my first practice.